Hi guys, so I wanted to come on here really quick. I'm going to start a vlog just to talk quickly about my new diet plan. I have decided to go with a plant-based diet, and that's mainly because of my eczema. I have had a pretty bad outbreak of it lately, and I've just been doing a lot of research on it, and I think it might be the best fit for my lifestyle and for my health and for my happiness. So today is day 3 of my diet so far, and I feel really great. I just got off work and had a pretty good workout, and so now I'm gonna have a snack, and I'm gonna be eating a Epic Everything Bagel. This is Dave's Killer Bread with some peanut butter and a banana, if it's ripe. And for breakfast, I had Special K with red berries and almond milk. And for lunch, we had a potluck at lunch today. And it was a taco bar, but I brought my own mix of black beans, quinoa, wild rice, red and yellow peppers, and peas. And so I used that kind of as my meat substitute, and I've been feeling really great. So it's day 3, and so hopefully I can keep this up, and hopefully it'll do what I expect and hope for my health and my eczema. So yeah, I will tune back in a little bit. It is day 4 of my plant-based diet. I will say that it is doing pretty good for my hands. Usually during the night I'm itching so bad that it wakes me up. I have to say last night I didn't wake up from itching, so that's great. And I feel a little bit low energy, but I didn't eat as many snacks today as I did yesterday and the first 2 days. So it is dinner time, and I'm going to show you what I'm eating. Okay, so these are the plant-based stuffed peppers that I made. And so what's in here is wild rice, quinoa, black beans, peas, the tops of each of the peppers, green onion, and some seasoning. So I'm going to heat this up and I'm going to eat it, and that is the last thing I'm going to eat for the evening. So I just want to show my skin really quickly. It seems to be getting a little bit better, but this is what it's looking like day 4 of the diet. And my hands. So I'm going to eat this and call it a night. Okay guys, day 5 of plant-based diet. It's going really good. I feel like the redness has almost completely gone away. Obviously there's still a little bit, but I think this is really helping. I actually do feel a lot more energy today than I did yesterday. I think my body's finally getting used to it and finally just feeling better on this diet. So today I again had my Special K with strawberries and almond milk. I had a bagel for a snack. Then I had the stuffed bell pepper for lunch, and now I'm going to have some kale salad with some avocados. I'm going to look what kind of dressing I have, and then also this is kind of like the stuffing left over from the bell pepper mix, the stuffed bell peppers, and then the rest of the avocado. So this is what I'm going to have. And yeah, I'm really excited and I feel good. So I'll check back tomorrow on day 6. Okay guys, so it's day 7 of my plant-based diet, and I have to say that most of my eczema has gone away. My hands are still peeling, but I'm not itching, it doesn't burn, so I'm feeling really happy. So tonight for dinner I made these plant-based tacos, and what it is cauliflower with buffalo sauce, chickpeas with a bunch of onions, celery, cilantro, green onions, Old Bay seasoning, garlic, salt, and a little bit of ancho chili sauce. So that's it.